Hello, this is Mila Mitra, co-founder of STEM and Space in India. Today I will be talking about including climate into astronomy education. So the question is this something that astronomers should be including, or is it better left to experts? So let's talk a little bit more about this. Astronomers already include climate as a factor in their planning. Where are observatories located? In locations with dry air, as water vapor can block the infrared. Also at high elevations to decrease the atmospheric turbulence. Because of this, many observatories are located in deserts, which are more sensitive to climate change, and this can affect a telescope's lifetime. So already there is an awareness that students may have about the atmosphere due to these observatories. Now, studies of planets and their atmospheres can directly help students understand these same things on our planet. For example, students learn about Venus and ask, why is it the hottest planet when Mercury is closer to the sun? It's because of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which causes a greenhouse effect and traps the sunlight, or the heat. Planets like Mars may have evolved from livable to unlivable climates. This will help students understand that such an evolution is possible on our Earth as well. Search for habitable planets. It's a big topic in astronomy and astrobiology. We start with what is life and why is life found on Earth? That's because Earth is optimally located with the right amount at the right location, so it has water, the right temperature, and atmosphere. Through these kind of studies, students understand that there is no other location on the solar system that is as habitable. Outside, we have found exoplanets, but they're too far away, so there is no planet B. Satellite data is already used by astronomers to teach studies about space. The same kind of satellite data is also retrieved from Earth and atmosphere observing satellites. So it's an easy extension. I would like to talk about STEM and Space, which I represent. It's an educational institute with the objective to teaching STEM through astronomy and space. Given the climate changes that are happening and how students are interested and worried about these changes, we definitely can easily extend this to add concepts connected to climate. Some examples of a few activities we have included. Students make models of the layers of the atmosphere to understand how the layers protect us, especially the ozone layer. Climate change. One of the things that is a big factor of climate change is rising sea levels, which is due to thermal expansion and melting of glaciers or sea ice and land ice. Through simple experiments, students can understand which one contributes more to sea level rise. Through studying how to build settlements on other planets like Mars, students can understand how an atmosphere is needed, greenhouse is needed, and how to create oxygen from the atmosphere, because these are parameters needed for life. Our students participate in ISS EarthCam, a NASA program that enables students to request images of Earth locations from the ISS. Through that, they can study coastlines and deforestation. Most of all, astronomers are very popular with the community. They already have a lot of students, so it's very easy to take education and outreach and extend that to include climate. So definitely it is our duty to do so. With that, I thank you and I thank the Shaw-IAU Workshop for giving me this opportunity.